So just walking through, just cutting past. You can probably hear the shriekity screams to the left of me there. Alright, I'm gonna get around this little bit. There we go, and we are free from the children. So you also, there's this little section here, the IKEA family shop. I don't know what defines something that will go into the IKEA family shop. They have things like umbrellas, high-vis stuff. Like, I think this is a whole bunch of random stuff that they just couldn't find a section for. But it's kind of nice stuff still. Alright, so down we go to 13 to 23, which is the market hall and warehouse. And it's kind of from here that you do want to start thinking about a trolley, which is why they put it here. You don't need it anywhere early. So it's sort of from here, everything that you saw in the showcases will be available. Like all the glasses that are in the kitchen, they'll either be here or in the warehousey bit. And this is where, if you're not used to IKEA, this is where it can be difficult. Because you'll be wandering around, up and down, looking for something, looking for one thing. And you won't want to ask a staff member because you're like, you'll feel a bit of a failure. It's like, yeah, you couldn't even handle IKEA. But yeah, like if you do like your shopping from the online catalogue, and then like bring your list to IKEA, you've really got to look at where everything's going to be based. Is that a shortcut? Don't know. I don't trust it. Lots of slippers, like poles and stuff. This is where you grab those. Poles for your curtains and your rugs. And your Tejin rugs. I love the rugs section. It's got a really nice smell, and it's something that I can't really give to you guys. But nice. Alright, so still following this around. You hear a lot of stories as well from time to time of people who have like just slept in IKEA. Just say like gone up on one of the bunk beds and just sort of hid and stayed overnight. That reminds me, I do need a new shower seat. So, if the Game Grumps turned evil, you would have Bad Danny and Bad Aaron. Which apparently is Swedish for bath mat. So we are still on that second floor. We've not quite hit the ground floor yet. And like, given all the meandering that we're doing, it is very easy for people to get. I like that. Like a little poster. That's kind of nice. It's 400 yen. It is really easy to get disorientated and like feel lost. You're not technically lost because you're still in the same building, but it's just that feeling. Hey, they've got another dog. panel for life. I wonder if they actually do sell those. Dog frisbees. Oh. Okay, carrying on, because we need to finish the stream. We've gone over, which probably means like next week or whenever we do the next stream, I'll have a little bit less time because we'll get throttled. So many lights. Right, I needed batteries. So while I'm here, let me get a pack of batteries. No, I won't. No, I won't. Because this way I don't have to join the queue. And if I have to join the queue, then it'll be long. And we're still on the second floor. We've still got the whole ground floor to meander through. I've got one of these because it tells you temperature. It's got a timer, it's got the alarm, and then it's got a normal clock. Mine's yellow though. I think mine's yellow. Looking at this, actually, mine might be green. I don't know what colour mine is. Ah, damn it, that was a shortcut that I saw earlier. So we're now in 23, which is the home collection. Also known as Candleland, because there's so many candles. And we have a sign indicating that we can now go to the ground floor. To the self-service area, also known as the warehouse. And this is where I would love to hear that they have stairs. But no. But this is the kind of travelator escalator that does allow for certain kinds of trolleys to be used. And as you can see, we've got it's a double layer. So we're going to go way over there and then way over here. So stairs would have been ideal. But you can already see like part of the warehouse section. I do like a warehouse. I probably reckon if I were to go back to the UK, I might go into warehouse management. There's not a lot of money out here, but I like the organisation. Again, you can just see through that window the shelves, the pallets. I know, like, because back when I was a kid, I used to work in a warehouse. Well, not in the warehouse, but I used to work in a factory, but I had to keep on going to the warehouse section. Is anything down there? There's a weird up-facing chair. But yeah, generally when it comes to the IKEA warehouse, most of the things you just sort of grab yourself. Obviously if it's like up on a tier or something, you have to get a member of staff. they've also got a back warehouse for the extremely large things that you can't get. So like you'll give a bit of paper to a staff member, and then they will get everything out from the back for you.